Hi there, welcome to this lesson as I continue to give you more common expressions and translating them from Shona to Ndebele. Alright, so let's start with this word, ruregerero. In Ndebele is called uxolo. Alright, simple. If you wanted to say ndokumbira ruregerero, you're going to say ngicela uxolo. Ndiregerereiwo. Ngixolelani angitsho andisathi ndakuregerera angikakuxoleli. Okay, mwari vanoregerera uNkulunkulu uyaxolela. You want to ask the question, Mati? In Ndebele you say litheni. How about wati? Utheni ngesindebele. Alright. Ndiyani? Ngubani? Okay. Now let's get more into Ndiyani questions. Let's find out how to say them in Ndebele. Ndiyani adaro? Ngubani otsho njalo? Is where you're asking who said that, and it. Ndiyani asara kumba? Ngubani osele endlini? Ndiyani asara nemwana? Ngubani osele lo mntwana? Ndiyani adla isikafu changu? Ngubani odle ukudla kwami? Okay. How about ndiyani athora charger yangu? Ngubani othethe i-charger yami? Ndiyani asiya avura door? Ngubani ochiye evule umnyango? Okay. Common answers to these questions would be ndini. In Ndebele you say yimi. Okay, if you want to say ndiwe, in Ndebele you say what? Nguwe. All right, you want to say nditaku, ngutaku. Okay, how about you wanted to say zwaita? In Ndebele sokulungile. Makorokoto amhlophe. All right, that's all I have for you in today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next lesson then. Sharp.